Alright, let's do a quick exercise together. Stand up straight. Now tap your head with one hand while rubbing your stomach with the other. At the same time, try lifting one foot off the ground. Feels tricky, right? That's because your nervous system is working hard, sending signals to muscles, balancing your body, and coordinating movement, all in real time. It's like the internet of your body, carrying messages every second so you can sense, move, and survive. Think of your nervous system like a city. At the center is City Hall, that's the central nervous system, CNS, your brain and spinal cord. It's where decisions are made. From City Hall, roads and highways spread out, that's the peripheral nervous system, PNS, the nerves that carry messages to the rest of the body. Without the CNS, there's no leader. Without the PNS, no messages get through. The city only works when both are connected. Inside this city, two main workers keep things running. Neurons, the messengers, like delivery trucks carrying electrical signals. They move information at incredible speeds, sometimes over 100 meters per second. Glial cells, the support crew. They insulate the wires, clean up waste, and keep neurons healthy. Without them, the city would fall apart. Fun fact, for every neuron, there are almost as many glial cells, quietly powering the brain's efficiency. Imagine you step on something sharp. Here's what happens in seconds. Sensors in your foot detect pain. Nerves, PNS, rush the signal up the highway to the spinal cord, CNS. The spinal cord acts fast, pulling your foot back before you're even aware, a reflex. Then the brain gets the full report and says, "Ouch, that hurt." Be careful, one simple action, but millions of cells work together instantly to protect you. Your nervous system contains about 86 billion neurons, each making thousands of connections. That's more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way, and all of them are firing every moment to keep you alive and aware.